Same. Always trying to eat my food. Always trying to eat my food. We are ready to tackle the roof today with our super killer safety goggles. Okay, so the process is I use this metal grinder wheel, chip away all the old silicone, and as you can see, there's like rust spots. It's really dirty. So once I, hold on, let me put these on. Once I go through with the wheel, grind out all, I put Ospo, it's this rust remover, and dab that on with this cloth all inside. And then I know that that's gonna kill the rust, protect it. And then once that sits for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I'm gonna go through, obviously wipe down everything, get all the bits and pieces out. And then that'll prep the surface for me to spray paint a coat of Rust-Oleum white, like semi-gloss paint. I don't think I'll have time today to do the silicone, but as long as I have the paint on covering exposed metal, I'm good. I don't think it should rain, so fingers crossed. And then I'll do the silicone later this week. This is for, so it's all these little dots of rust. I'm just gonna go through and sand them all, make sure they're not there. And then spray a coat of paint. Oh my God. Honestly, this is a lot more work than I thought. A lot more work. Whatever. Spent like 5 hours up on the roof doing some repairs and stuff, prepping my roof to be re-sealed with Self Leveling silicone. Whew, man, it's like the reflection of the white roof in the sun in my face. And I was wearing safety goggles, but they weren't my sunglasses. And I feel like I just got a lot of sun. And yeah, roof projects are not it for me. They're just, I don't like it. But I do have moments when like, I'm like going at it on the roof and I'm like, oh yeah, I love this. Like, this is, yeah. And then other times, most of the time after that thought of like, this is so, yeah, I'm like doing my, like I'm getting it done, handling it, you know, I'm repairing it. Right after that, I want to give up. Today, I'm gonna finish my roof. I'm gonna try to finish all 4 sides with the sealant. So that's gonna be epic. Oh my God, I forgot how to run into Home Depot. Okay, the plan is to eat half of this sub, go into Home Depot, get 409 degreaser spray, spray my van, roof down, clean that shit up, and then bring out the ladder and get to work. Bags, Dicor, push-door. So I'm gonna seal, can you see it? I'm gonna seal this whole thing. I have this one, that one on the back, one on the other side. But I'm using this 409 to clean it before I seal it. This is gonna be nar. It doesn't even make any sense, but I gotta try it. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a credit card and smooth in and out. So I just took the Home Depot card and ran a line, and that smoothed that out. Okay, so I did that side all the way down, that side all the way down. So I may have underestimated how much silicone I would need so far, as I don't know if I'm gonna have enough to finish that side of the thing. Okay, so I only have one sealant left to do. I only have one tube left. So I'm gonna do this back rail here, and then I'm gonna see how much I can do on the other side, but I think I'm gonna have to order more. So that's cool. Okay, so I managed to use 3, and I only had one more railing left, which is kind of a bummer, but at the same time, I'm happy I got what I needed to get done. Did like the worst railings first, and then the one that is fine, I'll just buy, I think I'm gonna buy 2 more just in case I need to touch up any areas. Is like the last one that I need to finish is the one that's like all right. I'm not too worried about. But man, I thought that the 3 tubes of sealant would be enough, but I used 1 tube just for the first rail, and I was like, oh. So yeah, a lot of work, but it feels good to finally, hopefully also this is the last time, like final roof repair done. I'm glad I caught that the previous sealant was coming off completely, because San Diego does get rain. It doesn't always, but when it does rain. And yeah, so that was a good miss, because that would have sucked. We are back at the Home Depot lot, and we are going to finish the roof today. All right, just have this side to do. Here, this stuff is done. That was from last time. Looks pretty good. Not bad, not bad. It's a little toasty out today. I'm not complaining though, because I love the sunshine. But, whoa. Let's get her done. I think I'll do finger off. Oh yeah. Dude, the sun feels amazing today. Oh yeah. We back in the biz. We back in the business. I think I'm gonna start on that side though. So let's go over here. Let's take a little trip yonder. Right. Let's get it done. We're just smoothing it out here. Oh, my hair. No, 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 no. This is all wrong. There we are. Here we go. Oh my God, I'm sweating. You know, this is kind of soothing now. No more stress, you know? Just me, Home Depot, the men. Kidding. Let's make sure we don't miss any spots there. Oh man. I am sweating, bro. Oh. There's some sketchy going on at Home Depot. I don't want to be a part of the sketchiness. Let me get that straight. Like a bird. Oh my god, I need sunscreen. This is some real life out here, man. I think that's good. I think we're good. Rain, rain, no more, baby. No more leaky. Oh god, I almost fell. People don't change when you want them to. Ain't that the truth, though? You know? People don't change when you want them to. Bummer. Ta-da. This is the one I just did. So I think that looks pretty good. Now see, it doesn't have to look pretty, okay? It just has to get the job done. Hopefully it will get the job done. Sleep at night. The roof is done. I can get sleep tonight. Yeah, just say.